MagiCAD, help create better buildings. MagiCAD Group, a Finnish full-service software company for MEP professionals, joined Glöden in 2014. We are the forerunners of digitalization, committed to helping engineering and manufacturing companies create better buildings. Tailored for MEP design and construction, MagiCAD offers specialized software solutions for MEP designers and BIM engineers. With the world's largest BIM library of real manufacturer components, we help users streamline BIM workflows for efficient, precise design and modeling. MagiCAD enhances the efficiency of BIM model-based collaboration through integrated and innovative functions, significantly reducing rework costs caused by design changes. At enterprise level, it empowers companies to optimize workflows, reduce labor costs, and achieve sustainable transformation and upgrading. At project level, using MagiCAD can save up to 30% of the total project time and up to 25% of the overall project costs. For individual roles, MagiCAD doubles engineers' modeling speed compared to using only general BIM platforms. Let's explore key features that dramatically improve BIM modeling and collaboration efficiency. Stay ahead with MagiCAD's innovative tools. MagiCAD Innovated Provision for Builders Work tool is the way of automatically producing the builder's work holes for MEP objects, especially support traditional workflow with linked models. The MagiCAD Clash Checking tool enables you to conveniently and efficiently perform clash checking, generate reports, adjust models, and update reports in a seamless four-step workflow without switching between platforms. Let's discover the power of MagiCAD at work through the practical implementations carried out by our diverse and cherished clients globally.
With MagiCAD, I was able to double my working speed. I essentially cut my project time in half, which is an immense time saving.
If we hadn't used MagiCAD for Revit, we would have completely missed the deadline. Overall, we achieved approximately 60% time savings when completing the project.
Based on our experience, MagiCAD can reduce around 20% work effect. By using this tool, it is more effective because we can utilize the existing manpower.